Hey, what's up, guys? It's One Winged Angel here, back with another video. Today we're going to be doing Pokemon, thanks to Pokemon Showdown. So why not? Let's just jump right into it. Doing random battles today, so this is my team normally. Obviously, that's the whole thing of random battles, but eh, let's just roll with it. Yes, got the poison. See if I can stall protect. Okay, that was probably a stupid move, but anything switching to go in the Rodon. Let's go with Rodon. Okay, that was a very bad idea. Okay, then. Chinchina. Let's see if that does it. Wait, does that have bullet seed? No, it doesn't have bullet seed. I thought it was going to have bullet seed. Okay, scrap fire. Let's go knock off, see if we're able to knock them. Okay, this guy's just going to body my team. Good thing I have poison, so I only have to last a couple turns. Is this a mega? Yes, mega. Let's go. Mega Draco. Yes! Okay, that's able to get it down. Yan Mega. Let's go for Roost. I think he's just trying to stall at this point. Okay, that sucked. Do you have any flying types? No, but we have tough vision, so that's good. Get an eruption off. See if that happens. Power. Eruption. Yeah! Okay, so that was pretty good. Boot ups. Switch back into wheezing. Good, it has black sludge. So let's go for protect to stall him out. Get some more poison damage. Let's protect one more time. Just have another layer. Nope. Okay, that's going to be my Kabutops. I mean, not my Kabutops. My Wheezing down and his Kabutops. Let's get Typhlosion out here. I think that's actually the right choice. Focus Blast. Ghost Tips. He doesn't have a chance to get Volt this way. Okay. Okay, that happened. Wait, how did that damage me through my substitute? Please. Bulletproof. Okay, that's gonna be round one. So let's go get another team and let's go round two. Okay, so we're back. We have a new team. We have a new opponent. So let's just go. It's gonna be hard. Not really, but yeah. Oh, we're going against the famous Alolan Doug Trio with hair. Yes. This guy's just bodying everything right now. Let's go ahead and power ground. Okay, let's switch to Salamence for this. Okay, that was a bad idea. That was a really bad idea. I could have. It's ice type. It's still dragon, so. Mega Evolve. Get Ice Punch off. That sucked. And that's where my guy falls. So that's where Tyranitar falls. Let's go for Salazzle. Okay, all we have to worry about is Meganium and Regice. If we miss this next one, it's definitely over for Salazzle. Yep, it's over. But that's why Delphox here. We'll switch. And Meganium is down. No, the Focus Sash! So that's win for me. I think that's where I'm going to end this episode. A loss for me and a win for me. So, yeah. See y'all later. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.